Welcome to our tutorial on how to buy Bitcoin using Webull. In this video, we will guide you step by step through the process of purchasing Bitcoin through the Webull platform. Whether you are a beginner or looking to expand your cryptocurrency portfolio, we will make this as simple as possible. So let's get started. First, you need to have a Webull account. If you do not have one yet, download the Webull app from your app store or visit their website. Once you have the app, sign up for an account by providing your email address and creating a strong password. You will need to verify your identity by providing some personal information, such as your name, address, and social security number. After your identity is confirmed, you can begin funding your account. After setting up your account, the next step is to deposit funds. Webull allows you to transfer money from your bank account directly into your Webull account. Go to the Account tab and select Transfer. Choose the amount you wish to deposit and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. Ensure that your funds are available for trading before proceeding to purchase Bitcoin. Once your account is funded, you can purchase Bitcoin. Navigate to the Market section of the app, and in the search bar, type Bitcoin, or its ticker symbol, BTC. Click on Bitcoin in the search results, and you will see options to buy or sell. Select Buy, enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase, and review the order details. Finally, confirm your order, and you will now own Bitcoin. Remember to keep track of your investment and stay informed about market movements. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to buy Bitcoin using Webull. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more cryptocurrency and investing tips. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy investing!